Well, g'day, Glav here, and thanks for checking back in. The ride this weekend, we go down to Kingscliffe with my usual biker mates, staying at Kingscliffe overnight for a couple of nights, and I've got to tell you, it's a really nice place in the world. So here we are coming into Rathdowney. Done about 130 kilometres, time for some breakfast. We'll pull up here, got to this little greasy spoon shop, see what we can get. So as I just mentioned, here we are in Rathdowney. We'll have a bit of brekkie at the Greasy Spoon. Not much to Rathdowney really. So I guess this is what you'd call an Aussie breakfast, a meat pie. Interesting, the cost for my Thai mates, the meat pie and a coffee cost me $10, which is, 220 baht or something. Bloody ridiculous. Queensland New South Wales border on the Lions Road. They call it the Lions Road because it was actually built by the Lions Club of Australia, where the government couldn't get it done, a charity did. So over here you can see a sign that says rabbit keeping penalty $63,000. That's actually true. There's no rabbits allowed in Queensland because they're feral and they go rampant and destroy a lot of shit. That was a steep country that we just came through now. Looking at Queensland here, and then looking at New South Wales down that way. We're about to embark on the Lions Road, which is a pretty great motorcycling road. Here we are at the border loop lookout on the Queensland New South Wales border. Pretty good view, railway line down below us here. A little bit hazy today unfortunately, but not a bad spot. Well, we've stopped in Kyogle for a drink. It's 33 degrees and quite humid and warm. From here we'll push on to our final destination in Kingscliffe. Arrived at Kingscliffe and checked in, which is a bit of a cluster, but anyway. However, I think this room might make up for it. Pretty expensive, but only do it occasionally. Well, that's it from Glav's Well today, and thanks for checking back in. Please remember, live life today.